So guys, theme for Abhinav's birthday is bling, and Babur and Abhinav have decided कि
बूमरैंग ना हम कुछ ऐसे करते हैं.
हम साइड डांसर बनेंगे कल.
गाइस कौन कहता है कि आदमी विमेंस सेक्शन में शॉप नहीं कर सकते.
एंड गाइज आज मेरी बर्थडे ईव है और बर्थडे ईव का मतलब है कि आज पार्टी होने वाली है बहुत ही सॉलिड, जिसका मेरे को कोई आइडिया नहीं है बिकॉज रोहिणी हैज़ टेकन केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग. उस बेचारी ने मतलब आई थिंक पिछले 1 हफ्ते से या 2 हफ्ते से वो बहुत तगड़ी प्लानिंग में लगी हुई है. और वो तगड़ी प्लानिंग इतनी तगड़ी है कि मतलब आई फील लेफ्ट आउट. मतलब मैं कभी भी अगर लाइक यू नो वॉशरूम में कहीं अगर क्लोजेट में जा रहा हूँ और वो बात कर रही है किसी से तो शी लाइक अभिनव आ रहा है मैं बाद में बात करती हूँ. तो आई फील लेफ्ट आउट. मुझे पता ही नहीं चल रहा कि हो क्या रहा है. 1-2 हफ्ते से कोई गॉसिप नहीं मिल रही मेरे को. कोई दोस्त मेरे से मिल नहीं रहा है. कोई दोस्त मुझसे बात नहीं कर रहा. और अगर मैं पूछता हूँ कि कि क्या सीन क्या है या कुछ, कोई बता ही नहीं रहा है यार कुछ. सो एनीवेज आई थिंक सरप्राइज़ बहुत ही अच्छा होने वाला है बिकॉज आई ट्रस्ट हर. एंड सो यस आई नो कि सारे दोस्त वो आने वाले हैं. देयर इज़ अ पार्टी हैपनिंग नीचे. बट आज का इफ़ यू आर सीइंग दैट व्हाई इज़ अभिनव वेयरिंग गोल्ड चेन्स एंड एवरीथिंग एंड स्टफ, वैसे अच्छी तो लग रही हैं बट इट इज़ मोर देन माई यूजुअल स्टाइल. तो वो इसलिए बिकॉज रोहिणी ने थीम रखा है पार्टी का ओवर द टॉप और ब्लिंग. तो मैंने सोचा भाई अब ज़्यादा मैं ब्लिंग तो करता नहीं हूँ, तो बस मैं अपने ईयर स्टार्ट्स पहन रखे हैं एंड ये जो 3 मेरे पास पड़ी हुई थी तो मैंने इसको पहन लिया. एंड अदर देन दैट द आउटफिट्स लाइक दिस, ये मैंने बूट्स रोहिणी के चुरा लिए हैं. सो बेनिफिट्स होते हैं अगर आपकी बीवी आपकी हाइट की हो और या सेम के हो तो जूते आप एक दूसरे के चुरा सकते हो. Guys, this is my birthday look for bling and this is Rohini's look. Oof.
The bling's coming on, blingy blingy.
Blingy
So it's not just bling. The theme is
Over the top.
bling and or over the top. That's super.
This is the real stuff. Bharat is Kaleen bhai is on a different level. क्या बात है.
सीक्वेंस.
Now he's bling, na? Now.
अब लग रहा है.
Up is like
चलो
totally.
परफेक्ट. इसको फेंक दे.
Awesome.
Let me see. Is Kanika is over here.
Jacket.
Vanika. ले
Too hot, bro.
And guys, अपने घर पे बप्पा लहरी is also here.
What's up, man?
Abhinav, you come here because
अच्छा, like this. Okay.
like it's a surprise.
That's the surprise kind of thing.
Yes.
Big ass surprise or anything, but it's just like a surprise.
It is amazing.
Full
What you have
turnout.
done is fantastic.
Big face.
आज I swear I'm very happy with what Bharat is wearing.
I think it's super sporting. and
Ta-da!
Oh my god. Oh my god. Nice. Very nice. Oh my god. That is pretty crazy, man.
And all this is Rohini's decoration and initiative.
Black and gray, black and
Very nice.
Amazing. Rohini, wow.
बस बस.
Fantastic.
You did a very good job. I'm gonna come to spoil your makeup. 1 second.
Thank you. Now you can enjoy yourself. Come have your first drink.
I will. I like
Jazzy
it.
Bharat.
I like it.
Now you've gone on YouTube also.
आज गाइस ऐसा लग रहा है कि किसी बुरी मूवी का प्लॉट में जो कैरेक्टर होते हैं वो यहाँ बैठे हैं. हैंगओवर पार्ट 5.
Kill him. इसको नहीं.
Ever since moment.
See, Urmi got this. This is the best Rohini.
Wow.
I love it.
Really good. You got me this cake? Wow. Why so serious with Batman on it? I like it. I like
I
it.
love why so serious. That's the best.
That's like as Batman as it comes, right?
ये मतलब dig है मेरी शक्ल पे, you know? Why so serious?
Please,
That would be nice.
Hello दोस्तों. Hello दोस्तों.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Abhinav. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Abhinav. Happy birthday to you.
fantastic. He's feeding you.
He's feeding you. How sweet. How sweet.
Dad.
He'll be in the gym for the next week.
Yummy. Abhishek को दे दो.
Package खाता.
Shaky, come here, baby. Abhi's at me. He's busy recording YouTube.
Chilikas है. No pictures.
Happy birthday.
This is so much.
ये क्या है? Okay, this is like a.
मुझे ना मैं baggage दे रहे हैं.
आते जाओ एक एक आदमी केक खिलाना.
What an amazing cake. Both of them are just
केक कटेगा
so
तो
amazing.
He's saying I got this cake.
What a beautiful cake, guys. Wow.
24 hours later.
Hey, birthday boy, what's going on? I know.
I can do this like a massage kind of thing.
I'm not doing nothing, okay? I've done enough. बहुत हो गया birthday शर्ते अब और कुछ नहीं करने वाली हूँ मैं. I'm not going to do anything more. Enough. Okay. I feel like, being generous.
Within 1 second.
Yeah, within a second. And
So
we
you
have
can
a...
do the head massage.
No, not really, but something else.
Oh. Who's it? Oh, how sweet. You booked me a massage?
Yes.
Thank you so much. This is so cool. It's like aroma therapy in my
Own house. Yes. So enjoy your massage and get over the hangover because we have another thing tonight.
Later that same evening.
And guys, I've gotten ready now. This is what I'm wearing. And आज ज़रा simple ही होगा, hopefully, thankfully. क्योंकि कल जो सीन था ना, मतलब आई एम नॉट जोकिंग, मैं अभी भी ज़रा रिकवर कर रहा हूँ उससे इवन दो आज जैसे 1 घंटे की मसाज मेरे को मिल गई थी जो रोहिणी ने बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बुक करी है. एंड अर्बन क्लैप मैन, मतलब स्पॉन्सर्ड कुछ भी नहीं है, बट अगर आप लोगों ने कभी अर्बन क्लैप ट्राई कर रखा है देन और नहीं कर रखा देन प्लीज़ डू ट्राई इट, क्योंकि उनका जो महसूस था, ओ माई गॉड फैंटास्टिक मैन. मतलब क्या, मतलब बॉडी वाइज तो रिफ्रेश कर दिया, बट मेरी आंखें अभी भी, बिकॉज आई डिडंट गेट टू मच स्लीप ऑल्सो फ्रॉम पार्टी, बट आई एम नॉट कंप्लेनिंग. एनीवेज नाउ आई हैव बीन टोल्ड दैट आई एम अलाउड टू कम डाउन, क्योंकि नीचे रोहिणी ने कुछ ना कुछ अरेंजमेंट्स कर रखे. एंड टुडे इज जस्ट, आई थिंक इट्स सपोज टू बी अ वेरी क्वाइट डिनर विद रोहिणीज पेरेंट्स एंड माई पेरेंट्स एज वेल. तो अब मेरे को बोला गया कि अब मैं नीचे आ सकता हूँ, सो लेट्स गो डाउन एंड सी व्हाट्स हैपनिंग. So we've got some more cakes.
Achha.
Oh my god, such a cute card.
Does this, am I opening it correctly?
Yeah, that's so cute. You are a star.
A star.
Lucky. That's so sweet.
1 in a million.
It just might be impossible, but we'll give it a try. So glad you're our son. Thank you so much.
So sweet.
So sweet.
तो guys, अभी मेरे को अकेला छोड़ दिया है एंड आई बीन टोल्ड टू जस्ट वेट अ लिटिल बिट, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली इधर जहाँ सब लोग इकट्ठा हो रहे हैं वहाँ पे मेरे को आने से मना है. कैन आई कम? आई कैन कम? ओके. सो apparently something has been designed. Let's go and सी अरे वाह थैंक यू केक का है केक नहीं आपके थैंक यू
Happy birthday, dear Abhinav.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so start with Abhinav's chocolate.
Oh.
How did you
Chocolate.
how did you do this?
How did you do
वो
this?
सब बाद में बताएंगे, पहले देखते जाओ आगे आगे.
This bag contains chocolate made of. Okay. I like this. ये मैं सेव करके रखूंगा बहुत टाइम.
ये पहले ये.
ये ग्रीन वाला पहले. Okay. Yo, this is so cool.
Oh my God! It's your face. Caution hot.
Caution
That
hot.
is so cool.
Please.
Fab.
Thank, this is PK's.
Yes.
PK's work. Thank you
PK's
so much.
Amazing.
PK and Radhika have 2 days. They have put like non-stop every day to create all this.
Oh, poster as well.
Yeah.
Wow.
This is hilarious.
What is this?
Rohini in La Casa de
Oh
Papel.
my God! That's insane.
This is so funny, dude.
Oh shit! That's amazing.
That's hilarious, dude. What is it, Chona? Yaar, don't do this.
She's made me into the.
What has he done? Show.
Didn't send anything for
Oh God.
Oh no way!
Are you serious? Yours is much better, dude. That is
I
so
love that.
cool.
I love it. I love this.
Love yours, dude. Yours is
This
too
is
cool.
so cool, dude. I'm gonna totally wear this.
PK, you have
so,
killed
so
it,
cool.
yaar. Sachi mein, this is too good. Love
That
it.
actually suits you.
Yeah,
Looks
this is
so
too cute. PK,
Yeah,
Radhika,
should be
both
in
of you
this,
have
huh?
killed
By
it.
the way, Netflix, please किसी शो में डाल दो.
सीधा करो.
सीधा करो.
सीधा करो पहले.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Big time.
nice.
Oh, this
It's
is
your
so
birthday. It's your birthday.
Look at Chavi Papa's expression.
Hey wow.
Wow.
Baby, you're the most amazing human being. Oh, yeah, यहाँ से नहीं से हाँ.
That's so
I
sweet.
know, such a pure soul. I couldn't have asked for a better husband. You bring joy to my entire family. You're a terrific son, grandson, and brother too. In fact, you may not be very expressive in showing your love, but your gestures say it all. Happy birthday to the most amazing man on planet. Time for you to be the best dad too.
Is this something we don't know?
I have to read.
Like, I'd have to ask, like, is there something that I need to know?
This would be a great way of, actually. This is a very good
Wow. This is amazing.
telling Abhinav surprise.
Like secret.
I'd be like,
Like nahi.
मुझे कुछ और दिख रहा है यहाँ.
The main present of them all. Nice iPhone X13 Max Pro.
1 terabyte. Huh?
1 terabyte.
Thank you so much. Thank you. This is
You're
very
most
Officially the owner
welcome.
of all new
Apple products.
So congratulations.
You could.
You're born in the right month. Huh?
Ah.
I was meant to have. Meant
Meant to own all the latest Apple products.
So I'm loving it that I've got.
iPhone.
Who's really gone ahead with all the Batman? This is all the
Pagalpanti, yeah.
This is so cool.
This is all Pagalpanti.
I love it. I love it. Batman keychain. Very nice. Very nice. It's actually solid. And very sharp. And very sharp. Exactly. Oh, we got like Batman and Wonder Woman passport holders. This is so sick.
This is a hint.
Like, chalo, niklo. So many hints, right?
Within. Oh my god, nice cups.
Sure. Love this.
Oh, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Really nice.
This is too cute.
These are
But see the detail. What's the detail in this?
The Instagram.
Okay, there's still one more thing to go. Take your seat. Take your seat.
Which is my seat.
Guys,
Oh my god. Basically everything that I like to eat.
see, pick it up. You can pick it up.
Yeah, I thought you had enough to eat.
ये फ्लावर्स हटा दूं मैं बीच में से
वैसे मेरी इतनी अच्छी शक्ल देख कर के लोगों का पेट भर जाना चाहिए. And guys, that's it for my birthday celebrations. I hope you guys enjoyed it क्योंकि मुझे ये 2 दिन बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्पेशल थे. And the one person who made it all super special was Rohini, because she did everything. मतलब A to Z पूरी organization में उसने कोई help नहीं ली किसी से, कुछ भी नहीं. She did everything on her own and it just turned out to be the most amazing और बहुत thoughtful चीज़ें करी थी. So I feel very blessed and I feel very happy, and thank you all for sticking by me and for the wishes as well. Thank you so much, guys. Stay safe, stay sexy. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out of where I live. I can see the leaders doing this. We talking plays and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me school. Nobody here but me and you. Gotta